Right, on today's video we're replacing the track rod end on the wife's Golf. It just picks up a little bit of play in it on the MOT, so we're better to get it done now. Right, now you see we've got the wheel off. Need to crack off this one up here, which is a 24mm spanner. Should be tight. I have pre-loosened this one. And on the track rod end it's 18mm. It's going to use the impact driver, which hopefully it'll come right off. Lovely jubbly. Normally you've got a ball joints splitter, but I've got like a fork one, but it's not here at the moment, so I'm just going to get a hammer and give it a bash. Right, on the back with a hammer, this usually works, only takes a few hits. If you hit it solidly on there, in theory the joint will pop up. There we go, just like that. It'll just come out now. Good job. Then you need to count the number of tons to take this off so we can put the new one on the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, oh, so 18. I just like to write on the mud number so I don't forget. But it's 18. You can see that's quite shagged, that one there. Open up the new one. We're going for a Delphi this time. Just to check it's the same. Looks the same to me. Oh, big flange nut on there, don't know what that's for. And also this big flange nut there, and also just a normal nut. So maybe for different models. Anyway, so we'll screw this on 18 turns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18, and they're up to the lock box now, so that hopefully that will give us roughly get the tracking right. Then obviously we'll have to go for the wheel alignment, but then we just buzz it up. Might put on this, oh, but that's the nylock, this one though, so we'll probably go put the nylock on there. I'm just going to buzz it up with the gun, and then I will torque it up afterwards. So just need to go look at the torque spec for that. And obviously then we just need to retighten this one. Yeah, so just need to check the torque spec on that, and then it should be good to go. The wheel can get back on, and the car's ready for another week of work.